Connect the USB drive you want to use, then search for Recovery Drive in the Start menu, or use the command recoverydrive.exe to open the tool. Make sure Backup System Files to the recovery drive is checked and press Next. Select the USB drive you want to use, and click Next. Once that's done, Windows will copy all the necessary files onto the drive, which could take a while depending on your USB device's speed. Microsoft recommends repeating this process annually so your drive contains the latest updates. Using your recovery drive is also pretty simple in the event of an issue. Start the device using the created recovery drive. After that, you will see this screen. Select Recover from a drive from the Windows recovery environment. Enter your recovery key if you have one. Pick either Just Remove My Files or Fully Clean the Drive, depending on whether you intend to use the device again.